Welcome into 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. I'm a level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to start off on the 4-hour chart because there's some things brewing that could have some potential for a reversal here. So let's look at the levels on the short time frame and the long time frame. If you like the video, give us the thumbs up. If you want access to our private Telegram alerts group where we keep you updated on everything in crypto with a lot of extra content, even the stock market and all your requests, consider subscribing through Patreon. That's linked just below. Let's get right to it. 4-hour chart. Well, let's look at the facts, right? The move down, we're in a downtrend. We need to break this downtrend. We're trying to do it right now, but important things. First thing, a move down, a bounce right to the 21-day EMA, the yellow line, right? We're looking at this yellow line. Bounce and rejection off the 21. The next time, move down, bounce and rejection right off the 21 EMA yellow line. Next move down, bounce, where to reject again, the 21 EMA on the yellow line. Next move down, bounce, where do we reject, the 21 EMA on the yellow line. But we now have the anomaly. We are on the verge of closing in the next 55 minutes. Depending on when you watch this, you could go tell, did we close above the 21 EMA or not? 63K. If we did, that improves our odds of being a local low at support, right? On the bigger picture, right? We're at our swing lows from all the way back to March, right? Swing low here, swing low touch point there, swing low touch point even last week, and yet again, building mini candles inside of this zone, and we're looking at a reversal here. So we have our low set, hopefully, right? For the bulls, this is what you want to see. A close above this high close here, 63,860. Then we have a new high for the first time in a while, right? Lower highs. This would be the first higher high. And then we look for, if we come out again, a higher low than this guy. Then you're structurally, by definition, out of this downtrend and in a new uptrend. We don't know how long that could last, but that's what we're watching for today, the rest of the day. The EMA 34 is just above us. Let's see an exact number for there. 64K. So 63K close above, 64K resistance so far. That's where we also rejected prior, 64K, and we wicked right to the 21 EMA, okay? So that's what we're watching for the foreseeable future, the rest of today. If we do that, altcoins can continue to kind of come out of the woods here, as you're seeing, right? We got some little movers, Injective up almost 10%, Synapse up 18%. There's some even up more than that if you scroll across. Bitcoin dominance kind of just on chill mode a little bit. 55% hanging out, not moving big time. Right? Bitcoin holding steady, moving up. Bulls starting to come back. Altcoins can come out. Let's zoom out. The daily chart. We had a move down yesterday again to this swing low zone. Now we're bouncing up again. Are we going to reject off of the 50 EMA where we did yesterday? Or are we going to close above it? The EMA 8 is just above as well. 64.8. If we close above there today, that would be a great sign of a local low off of support, and we'd look for higher targets. How high? Well, we got to clear this little level here, right? Right there, the swing lows to swing highs flipped, right? Support flips to resistance, move down. When we come back up here again, 65.5 or so, that will likely act as some minor resistance. Ideally, for the bulls to gain the most traction, you're going to have to get above all your moving averages, which is the 21 EMA is our highest one now, 66.5. If we do that, the bulls start to open the door to the bigger bulls, for lack of a better word. Then what? Are we out of the woods then? Are we good to go? No. We still haven't put in a higher high. We must take out this next zone. This is the ultimate zone. Then the sky's clear. Then the bigger bulls come out to play for the bigger picture, okay? So we're looking at that. That's our final hurdle. We have a lot of hurdles to get through. We're underneath all the hurdles now. We haven't even started the track meet yet. We're talking about the final hurdle. We haven't even got over the first hurdle, okay? But it's important to have your plan, know where you're going, right? If you don't know where you are, how will you know where you're going? All right, so first step, let's take out 64.5, right? Now let's zoom out to the weekly. What are we focusing on for this week? There's nothing that we need to worry about except one thing. This red line. What is that? The weekly EMA 8. The current exact price is 64,218. That will change a little bit between now and the close. If we close above that, the bulls are still in charge. We could absolutely bounce back to our, our high hurdle, right? Our last hurdle on the track, which we haven't even started the damn race yet. But the gun goes off for the bulls at this weekly close in 3 days, 9 hours. If we close above that red line, the race may start all over again, right? Where the bulls can come back in big time. We could go back to all-time highs. Don't lose sight. Don't be too deterministic on your thinking to the high side or the low side. Be water, my friend. Bruce Lee said it best. All right, we'll leave it at that. Low support zone. We tapped just off the weekly EMA 14 at 59.7. We just did it, right? That's all we need. Right at support. Let's go all the way back. Our swing highs on the monthly. Let's go look at this, right? Here's macro for you. Here's monthly. All-time high, previous all-time high close, right at 58.8. New all-time high close back in the last cycle, right? 61.3. Where did these previous 2 months go? We went February, March, right in there. And guess what? Again in April, we went right down to it off of our previous highs. You break out to new all-time highs, a throwback to new all-time highs, right? Flipping resistance into support on the macro scale. Not that we can't go lower, and if we did, we're still bullish above 52K because that's the EMA 8 on the monthly, right? Big move, EMA 8 on the monthly. We closed under it. That was, just warning signs all over the board here, right? But we have no warnings on the previous monthly candle closes so far. Indecision back here, right? Look at that. Those are big warnings, big sell-offs, big bullish candle followed by a big sell-off. We don't have any of that yet. This is not even that bearish of a candle. This is like taking a breath after, all these months of just green bullish. This should be well welcome to remain healthy. All signs still there. Bitcoin's A-OK still so far. Words are hard. 64K. Let's take one final look at the 4 hour. We're knocking on the door here, right? All we have to do is close here. We're not looking to be greedy. Just close right here. Next candle has high probability of continuing higher. And we know our next zone, right? Here it is, 65.5. Clear that. Not much headway above us, right? The race may start, all right? So just showing this Thursday update, April 18th. Now you know what to watch. You don't have to panic. Just watch the price charts. You don't have to watch the news. Just the price charts. All right, quote and card of the day. If you accomplish something good with hard work, the labor passes quickly, but the good endures. If you do something shameful in pursuit of pleasure, the pleasure passes quickly, but the shame endures. Think about it. It's a good one. All right. Car of the day, truck of the day, vehicle of the day. Maybe we should go with that. The Brabus 850 4x4 squared. If you're like, what the hell is that? That looks like a G-Wagon. Well, it is, but on ultra steroids. And so is the price. If you're wondering, if you have to ask, you can't afford it, right? We're looking probably about $1 million here. And I'm not joking. The whole body is carbon. Wait till you see the inside. I got a little video set up for you because I was excited to see it. Here it is. I'll just shut up and let you enjoy. I'm not shutting up. It's all carbon fiber, custom wheels, custom lift, custom brakes. I mean, it's all like one-off spec. These are very rare. You're not likely to go see this at your local grocery store. Okay. Look at this engine. It's all carbon. They're all hand built, one-offs, right? One built by one guy. Amazing. Look at that video. Wait till you see the seats. I was blown away by the interior. Diamond quilts. Love it. There you go. Pretty amazing to me. I don't think I'd spend $1 million on it, but to each their own. All right, there you go. Wait, did it say 1 of 63? Yeah. Now, no wonder they're $1 million, right? All right, that's that. I'll end it there. The flannel shirts for Chainlink. When are they going to come back? We got to get something. We got to get something going for Link. He's trying to move, but we need Bitcoin to kind of hold steady here. Then we can get some more going. Injective doing well. Synapse doing well. A lot of coins doing well. Double digits, even better.